Dear viewers, word problems of exercise 4. Here I am explaining, once listen carefully. See, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Very simple. At present, room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade given. The total decrease in temperature after 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade at an hour. Per hour 5 degrees centigrade it will decreasing. After 10 hours means 10 into 5. Okay, 10 hours, each hour 5 degrees centigrade is decreasing. Okay, so 10 5 is 50. Temperature after 10 hours is equal to given temperature, what we got the temperature. Okay, if given temperature 40 minus 50 degree centigrade is equal to minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, that what will be the room temperature? The room temperature after 10 hours minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, next question. In class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer, minus 1 is awarded for every incorrect answer, 0 for questions not attempted. See, Gopi gets 5 correct answer, 5 incorrect answer. What is his score? Next, Rashmi gets 7 correct answers, incorrect 3. What is her score? Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers of 7 questions. See here, Gopi score 5 into 3 plus of 5 into minus 1 is equal to 5 3 is 15 plus into minus 5. Okay, 15 minus 5 10. Next, Rashmi score 7 correct questions, 3 incorrect questions. Okay, into multiplied by that marks. Okay, 21 minus 3 18. Rashmi score 3 correct questions, 4 incorrect questions answers. Okay, into multiplied by respective marks. 9 plus into minus 9 minus 4 5. A merchant on selling rice earns a profit of 10 rupees per bag of basmati rice sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of non-basmati rice. He sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. What is his profit or loss in a month? What is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold is 6400. See, profit on 3000 bags of basmati rice. 3000 into 10, 30,000 rupees. Loss on 5,000 bags of non-basmati rice. 5,000 into non-basmati rice cost 5 rupees. Okay, 25,000 rupees. Net profit or loss. 30,000 minus 25,000, you will get 5,000 profit. Another method no need, as there is no loss or no gain means profit. What is the profit on basmati rice? Loss on non-basmati rice is equal to 6,400 into 5, 32,000. Okay, number of bags of basmati rice sold, 32,000 divided by 10. Non-basmati number of basmati rice bags 10, so 3,200. Okay, next, replace the blank with an integer to make it true statement. If you want to get 27 product, which number you can take multiply with minus 3 minus 9, you can get 27 answer. Which number you can multiply with minus 8, you will get minus 56 plus 7. 5 into minus 7 if you do minus 35 will get a product. Here 11 into minus 12 if you take minus 132 you will get a product. Okay, these are the some questions from exercise 4. Okay, thank you.